HUNTRIX are rocking the stage at a concert. Meet Zoey, Mira, and Rumi.
Hey, did you miss me? I'm here on a VIP invite, babes.
Hi, bestie.
Today you're in for an insanely cool makeover.
Pick your character cards.
Ooh.
Wow, I want this one. And you got red. Nice, I love it.
And I'll be Chloe.
Oh my gosh, I got Bridget.
All right, girls, first up for the makeover is Roomie. Let's head to the workshop.
Yay! Where do we start?
The Wheel of Fortune.
Shoot.
Oh my gosh, Lali, are you okay?
Of course, let's spin it.
Yippee!
Oops, oh, why isn't it spinning? You're turning it in the opposite directions. Ha, let's start with the hairstyle. Yay! Rumi, what do you think about a haircut? I'm ready for a change. Perfect.
Wow, what a braid! Long like Rapunzel's.
Oh, is nothing left?
Well, check out your new look.
Wow, so stylish.
And so smooth. Lovely idea.
Huh.
Pick a color.
Oh, I want rainbow.
I like it.
Deal.
No!
Lali, what's wrong?
What?
Oh, right. The sketch shows red hair. Ta-da! Hey, why is it white? Am I going blonde? No!
I know what to do. Let's try slime coloring.
Oh, I've seen this trend. Wow, it's so bright and super stretchy.
Let me help.
Carefully spreading the slime through the hair. Voila, done. It looks amazing.
Does it suit me?
Lali, it's not your makeover. Oh, and now Rumi has hair. But how do we secure it?
We should glue it.
Lali's right.
Crazy.
I apply glue and fix each strand. Don't forget the back. Voila, done.
Wow, so pretty.
Now I'll style it.
Look for ideas in my notebook.
Right, there's so much stuff in here. And here are hairstyle samples. What suits red best? Let's see. This one, or maybe... Oops,
This one is the coolest.
gorgeous choice. I'll need more artificial hair. Securing the end and braiding it. Done. Twisting two buns and fixing them on the head.
Wow.
Just brush a little.
And trim. Wow, I love it.
Nice!
The hairstyle turned out amazing. Hey, Lali, let's keep going.
Okay. Where's Zoey? Oh, hi!
Hi.
Ready for a fabulous new hairstyle?
Yeah. Give me the card. Ta-da! Where do we start?
Let's find out. Spin it.
Hair again. Surprise, a secret chest.
Wow! LaLiLu, open it. Let's see what's inside. Whoa, so much hair!
Wow.
This will make a gorgeous hairdo. But Lali, the hair should be blue. Oops, right. What do we do? What do we do?
Easy, Lali, don't panic.
Okay.
You'll figure it out.
Thanks. Oh, Lali fix. Hair dye. Wow, you have such a collection of bottles.
Yippee!
Which one to pick? Yes, crazy color.
Great choice, Lali. We've got dye and artificial hair. Let's go. Squeezing dye onto the hair. Carefully brushing it through. Nice and neat. Pretty, but slow.
And more dye.
Oh, spray? Well, that'll speed things up. Spray, spray, spray. Done. Covering with foil and waiting for it to work. Aw, they fell asleep. Girls, wake up, it's time.
Yay! Let's see.
Ready? Voila, gorgeous blue strands.
Oh, what about my buns?
Oh my gosh!
A haircut.
What?
Don't move. Snip, snip. Done!
Brushing off the excess.
Is anything left? Mm-mm. Take a look.
Oh.
It suits me.
Yay!
I'm a ghost. Lali, that's you. Yes, this goes on your head for the wig. How does that work?
Let's add a second layer of tissue.
Now we need glue. I've got gel with it.
Thanks, Lali. That's exactly what I need. Coating the tissue and waiting for it to dry.
A hairdryer will be faster.
Drawing the outline and removing the cap.
Good.
Cutting off the excess. Now we paint the cap.
LaLiLu, I brought the hair.
Hand it over. Applying glue and fixing strand by strand. Voila, the hair looks stunning. But we need curls and it's straight.
I know a cool life hack. A pencil and a flat iron.
Let's try it. Wrap the strand around the pencil. Heat the iron and glide it down. Perfect curl. Now repeat it all over the head.
Ready?
Yes.
LaLiLu, oh my gosh, look at this. Ah!
Lali, what happened?
It's a disaster. So gorgeous. Total slay.
The real Chloe. It turned out beautiful. The curls are super bouncy.
You look like a real lioness. With this fluffy hair, I really do.
You're stunning, Chloe. Mira waited so long she fell asleep.
Let's wake her up.
That tickles.
Time to spin the wheel.
Yay, I'm ready. And we got... Yes, another hairstyle. I'm so excited.
Pick the scissors.
These are so cute. I love pink.
Maybe we skip the haircut?
Don't worry, this time I'm just cutting the hair tie. Where's Lali? Oh, I need some styling wax. Applying it to the strands and brushing well. Twisting into light beach curls. Styling is done.
Oh, you're gorgeous.
Thanks.
And this flower is for you. There, even cuter.
Wow, so adorable.
Let's go, time to see red. Ta-da! Where did we leave off?
Oh, Lali, it's you. Let's spin the wheel.
What will it land on now?
Makeup time. I love doing makeup.
Have a seat right here.
Ooh, I prepared something special.
LaLiLu, hand me the tool.
What's wrong?
The eye color doesn't match. I've got it. We'll wipe it all off now.
Are you sure? Well, okay, let's try. I'm putting remover on a cotton pad.
Ew, I don't like the smell.
Oh, yeah, okay.
No, wait!
What is it, Lali?
You forgot to protect your hands.
Right, no gloves, no deal.
Thank you.
So I press the pad to the doll's face and wait.
I'll turn on some music so it's not so boring.
Taking it off. Hey, why didn't it come off?
Nothing worked.
Wait, it's not over yet.
Let's try cleaning it with a cotton swab. Oh, it's still not coming off. It's ruined.
Shh, Lali, don't panic. Everything's fine. Take a break. White paint will cover it easily.
Awesome.
I put a tiny drop on my finger.
And load it onto the brush. Carefully.
Painting a new right eye over the old one.
There, all done.
And who's going to paint the irises?
Red? No, I'm scared.
Lali?
I'm out.
Oh well, I'll finish it myself. Bright irises. Black pupils and lashes. Bold lips. Final touch, white highlights. Lali, it's ready. Come back. It turned out super cute, not scary at all. Want to finish it yourself?
Yes, I'll decorate with cute hearts.
Red, check out the result. Wow, I look so pretty.
Yippee!
I love it too.
Me too, girls. How's Chloe doing? Let's spin the wheel again.
Wow, makeup. Ooh, just what I wanted. Lolly love.
A set of markers from Lali.
Wow!
Let's open it up quickly. What a selection! Which color do I need? Yes, blue will be perfect. Let's begin.
No!
What's wrong now?
This time I want to do it myself.
Wow, getting braver. Good luck.
Drawing new eyeshadow. Done!
Lali, let me see.
Well, how is it? Does it look nice? I really like it.
How do I say this?
But I tried so hard.
Lali, it's okay. Not everything works on the first try. We'll fix it. Here's a cotton swab.
Got it. And here's some alcohol.
You're right. I dip the swab and remove the marker. Voila, not a trace left. Redrawing the eyeshadow. Here we go, beautiful. We did great, bestie.
We need more sparkle. Up. Now you're going to shine.
Wow, what a look.
Super fabulous. Uh-oh, why is it so slippery? Ah! Wow, rhinestones.
Let's add them to the makeup. I used tweezers and placed them on the eyelids.
Wow, can I see?
Of course, here's a mirror.
Wow, unreal!
Yay!
This is all amazing, but Bridget is still waiting. Ugh, so heavy.
Let's spin it already.
Let's do it. What will you get?
Of course, makeup. And here's a cute little table. Wow, what a nice brush.
No!
What?
We need a bigger brush.
Okay, you're in charge then.
We need a palette. Look, this one.
So pretty, wow. Oh wow, no way. I pick up pink eyeshadow on the brush. All right.
And apply it to the face.
Did anything smudge? Take a look yourself. Wow, so cute.
That's not all. Let's add more sparkle.
Glitter nail polish, brilliant idea. A little on the eyelids, shiny vibe.
Ooh, dazzling shine. Awesome, it turned out great.
Take off the pink glasses and let's go to red. Oh wait, we're already here.
Wow!
Lali, it's not spinning for some reason.
Let me try. Oh, you're right, it's not working. All right, we only have outfits left. Lali love.
Wow, so many fabrics.
What should we pick? None of these feel right. So many materials, nothing to sew with.
Don't worry, look. Surprise box.
Wow! What a cool balloon. Let's pop it now. Got it. LaLiLu, your turn.
Great, let's cut it. I use small scissors for this. Try it on. Voila, a long t-shirt.
Ooh, fancy. I'll add mesh sleeves.
A little glue to fix it.
I'll fold the sleeve. We need heart decorations. LaLiLu, here.
From one big one, we get many small ones. Attaching hearts to the outfit. Beautiful.
Something's missing. Oh no, we forgot the pants. LaLiLu, quick. Help, help.
And I've got a dance break. Hop, splits.
Look at you. Aha, here are the pants. Give them here. Trying them on red. Perfect fit.
Yes!
Totally agree. Only shoes left.
Lali idea. Voila!
Wow, cool boots.
Excellent!
Got them. Perfect match. Oh, I look gorgeous.
Yay!
Don't forget the jacket.
Oh, 10 out of 10. Yep, I'll help you put it on.
LaLiLu.
Oh, I see the sleeves are shorter in the sketch. No problem, I'll fix it. Cutting them, and let's try. Perfect, it suits red so well. Just final touches left. A belt and a bold choker. A gold heart on the waist, moving strands away from the face and pinning them in the back.
OMG, this look is fire.
I feel like a million. The outfit turned out incredibly bold and vibrant. Makeup and hairstyle and red style.
Let's take a selfie for our followers.
Oh, these photos turned out awesome.
My turn now.
Hey, Chloe, not bored?
I don't even need the wheel to know we're making a new outfit. Where's my super notebook?
I want to see too. And here's our sketch.
Oh my gosh, I want Lali love! I've got the materials.
Wow, decorative tape. So shiny. I'll pull out more. Pieces on the sides. Trimming the excess.
Royal emblem in the center.
Wow, it turned out amazing.
Let's see what's here.
Wow. Opening. Luxurious sparkly tights. Yep, that's it. Let's check the sketch.
Looks like it should be a suit. Lali idea. How about this? Fabulous.
Glad you like it. Putting on the jacket. Give me your hand. And the skirt to match. Belt with an emblem. Perfect. I'll add accessories.
And shoes. Lali, put them on quickly. It'll be amazing. Nice, so comfy.
Chloe's look is ready.
Who's that stylish one? Oh, that's me.
And the curls are stunning.
High five, bestie. Yes.
I want a high five too.
Here you go. Hop. Bridget, you're the last one. Spin.
Let's go. It landed on an outfit. Yay, I'll get a new look.
Lali kiss. Dress up game.
Wow, I want to try it on. Such cute tights. LaLiLu, did you see this?
Amazing.
And here's the new dress.
And a special accessory.
Hanging the chain on the waist. What's there?
Wow.
New boots with roses.
Look how pretty you are.
The look turned out incredibly cute.
Bridget, I'm your fan. Hit the stage.
Looks like you're first.
Wait, what? Where is everyone?
Hey, ready to show how the heirs can sing?
Yes, let's rock, girls. My keyboard.
And I'm on drums. Awesome!
Today's looks for Chloe Red and Bridget are just incredible. See you in the next videos. Bye-bye.